Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. Today, I'm making halal-friendly Miso Marinated Chicken. Miso Marinated Chicken is an easy recipe where chicken is simply marinated in a miso-based sauce and then pan-fried. Both the ingredients and the cooking process are very simple. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This recipe serves two. First, prepare the miso marinade. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of miso, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Grate in 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is optional, but it adds a nice punch of flavor, so I highly recommend it. Mix well until fully combined. Traditionally, miso marinades often include mirin and sake. In this recipe, we leave them out to keep it halal friendly. Instead, we add a bit more sugar and sesame oil to balance the sweetness, richness, and texture of the marinade. The miso marinade is now ready. Next, prepare the chicken. I'll be using 300 grams of halal chicken thighs. Pat the chicken dry if there is any excess moisture, and trim any excess fat if needed. I'm using 2 small chicken thighs, so I will cut each one into 3 pieces. This makes a total of 6 pieces. To ensure even cooking, make a small cut in any thicker parts and open them slightly, so the thickness becomes more even. Add the chicken to the miso marinade and mix well, making sure the sauce is evenly coated over all the pieces. Let it marinate at room temperature for 30 minutes. If you have more time or prefer a deeper flavor, you can marinate it overnight in the fridge. 30 minutes have passed. Now, we'll start cooking the chicken. Heat a frying pan over medium-low heat. Since the miso marinade already contains sesame oil, you don't need to add any extra oil. Once the pan is hot, add the chicken. Cook the chicken over medium-low heat. Let it sear without moving for a few minutes until a good crust forms, but keep an eye on it to make sure the miso doesn't burn. If it looks like it's browning too quickly, lower the heat slightly. After 5 minutes, a nice golden crust has formed. Now, flip the chicken. After flipping, cook for another 3 minutes. Once the other side is nicely browned and the chicken is fully cooked through, remove the pan from the heat. Transfer to a plate. Look at this shine and glaze. The chicken is sweet, savory, and juicy, with a rich aroma from the seared miso. It's an incredibly simple recipe, yet it turns out so good. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.